Actually, we're very late for the application. So we heard that generally in US or Canada, it's very difficult to apply on the last moment. And Ireland is a much inclusive country, and we love the culture. We've done a lot of research on it, and I think Ireland is superb in every case. So then, and UCD, we've done a lot of research on UCD. So UCD has the courses which we wanted, like food technology, which is very difficult to get elsewhere in the world. Like so specific and narrowed courses are very difficult to get.
I chose to do another course in Ireland because I love the way it is taught. The lectures are very good, and they're very lenient, and they're very chilled out, and they actually do help when you need to. As well as the people and the culture is very good enough. You can always ask them for help, and it's much easier to mix with them. And there's not any issue of any safety issue or anything like that. And I chose to go back because it's a very good place to live in, and I don't mind going back again if I get a chance to.
Program, as in, I can tell you, we were much more interested in the technical part of food, not just food, the culinary part of it, but the technological part, how food is processed and what about the byproducts and everything. So I think this, the syllabus that UCD offers is just pinpoints to all those aspects that we were searching. I am basically interested in developing processes for food, if there is a current process of say brewing like beer, so then how can we make the process cost effective, or what can be the new inclusion, like I have studied microbiology, so what can be the new organisms that are included, so doing research on those organisms or studying the processes to make it cost effective. So these are the kinds of fields that we are interested in. So then what I plan to do is we get a 1 year stay back in Ireland, so then I plan to work for 2 years and come back to India and start up, initiate a startup here.
I plan to stay back if I do get an opportunity to stay back, yes. But what field that I want to work in is in the renewable sector. There are a lot of companies dealing in renewable energy, and there is a very good job opportunity for me in that area.
I'm currently going for data analytics. I've chosen the college, National College of Ireland, because it is one of the biggest and the well-known college in Ireland, especially for data analytics. Data analytics further deals with fields like big data and Hadoop. So being from a Java background, also I have a Java background, so it is better to have courses like data analytics. The job prospects for data analytics are very good in Ireland. And Ireland is the country I chose because most of the countries which operate all over the world have headquarters right away in Ireland. So job is not at all a problem in Ireland. So data analytics is the best course for me right now.
Once I've finished with my aeronautical engineering, I can get jobs in various aeronautical based firms and get jobs in design and some fields like that, production, etc. And for that, the university is very well known, and the course in Ireland particularly is very nice. So I've chosen to study in Ireland, and particularly the University of Limerick.